Hello guys, in today's video it is an update in regards to the high frequency pure sine wave inverter that I purchased in AliExpress. It is 12,000 watts, a surge power, but the continuous power is 6,000 watts, and I will testing it with a 300 amp inverter welding machine. Now the fan of the welding machines running. The DC meter shows 25.7 volts and now it's 23.4 volts, and the AC meter shows 2.8, 2.9, 2.8, 3 kilowatts when the welding machine is running. That's all for now guys. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and if you have any question, please comment in the comment section box. See you to my next video.